Hello everybody, Melanie Morissette here with Abstract Fitness. Today I want to focus on different exercises to practice your balance. This is something we lose after we're 30 years old and older, and that's why we need to practice it every day. Because think about it, when you're going to be 80 or 90 years old, your risk of falling is very, very frequent. So we need to avoid that, to avoid breaking your hips and eventually even die from it. I'm a certified personal trainer, but I also specialize with seniors. We're going to start right here. I use a chair for support. You can use your counter or even one finger on the wall. Let's start beside your chair on the right. I'm going to work your hips here, okay? And I want you to feel it as well. And we're just going to loosen it up by moving the hips. The first exercise I'm going to do, we're going to focus on strengthening your hip flexors. So I want you to bring the leg as high as you can. You can also use two chairs if you're feeling frail. We're going to inhale, exhale, try to bring that leg, flexing the foot as high as you can. And we're going to inhale, exhale. There we go. Again, bring the chest forward, shoulders are down and back. And we're going to go for 4. How many fingers do you have on your chair? 3. Another trick I'm going to give you here. Press your big toe on the floor. It's going to help fix something somewhere as well. You don't need to look at me. Good. And release, move, and we're going to move to the left. Same thing, shoulders down and back. Press your big toe on the floor, spread your toes, and we're going to lift as high as you can the other leg. Flex your foot. And we're going to inhale. Exhale. So I love moving with my breath because that's the way I can control my movement, but also I work way harder when I go slow and controlled. Again, we're going to go for 4. Feel the work in the opposite hip. Why do you think you feel it in the opposite hip? Your entire weight is on this hip, so it has to stabilize. If not, it will fall, okay? And one more time. Good. And release and move your hips. Now I want we open the legs sideways. So shoulders are down and back. I'm going to go back with my right leg. 2 options. You can point to the side. That's option 1. Option 2, a little bit harder. Point, lift, and come back. So choose your option. Let's get started. Inhale, exhale. Catch your balance if you have to. That's it. So I'm going straight to the side, keeping my hips square parallel to each other. So I'm not dropping one hip. Good. How many fingers do you have on your chair? Can we do 4 more? And 3. 2 more. That's it. And 1 more. I feel the work in my hip. And release and move. We're going to do the same thing with the left leg. So shoulders are down and back, abs are tight. Same thing, let's go. Right here, option 1 or option 2, when you touch, flex the foot and come back. Inhale, exhale. Beautiful. Some of you don't need support. Don't use support. I like even putting my hands on my hips here just to make sure my hips are not moving. They are staying parallel and square to each other. Okay, let's go again for 1 more. Beautiful. And slowly release. Okay, I'm going to turn my chair sideways just for you to see better what I'm going to do. I want you to go straight back. Do you remember the first exercise? We were focusing on your hip flexors. Usually they are tight. What we need to do, my favorite exercise is this one. We're going to strengthen your glutes, working a little bit in your hamstrings here. They are assisting. And I'm going to rub the floor. And right here, contract the glutes. Okay? Let's start again with your right leg. Shoulders down and back. Look straight ahead. You're welcome to do a little chin tuck. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your abs into your spine for not arching too much your back. And let's go again right here. Contract your glutes. I do this exercise with people living in an independent living, because that's the muscles they need. What do you think you need to stand up from a chair? You need your quads, you need your glutes, okay? This is a good balance exercise as well, and you are working right here on your side, on your hips. I just lost my balance. I'm looking at you. And again, for one more. Good. And we're going to move. Let's switch your legs. So now you know what you're doing. I prefer looking at you. Shoulders down and back. Inhale, exhale, straight back. So again, rub the floor. And we're going to come back, inhale, exhale, straight back. Do you feel that contraction in your buttock, in your derrière? En français, s'il vous plaît. There we go, right here. And we're going to go for 4 more. In 3. In 2. And 1 more time. Beautiful. And release. And you're welcome to move your hips. I have a few more exercises here to do. You don't need to complete the entire video for the first time. Keep it, and eventually you're going to build it up. You're going to be able to do the entire little video. The next video I want with you can use again 2 chairs. I want you to open your right leg. We're going to do balance before we get too tired in the hips. Shoulders are down and back. Option 1, you keep your toes on the floor, tree pose. Or you can bring your foot off the floor. Make sure you don't apply any pressure on the knee right here. Okay, look straight ahead. Continue to breathe. Continue to smile. There we go. And if you want to release the chair, your support, go ahead, try it out. That's the only way you can improve, is by trying. That's it. Press your big toes on the floor again. It's going to help, trust me. Good. And release. We have 2 legs. We need to switch. Shoulders are back. And again, open your knee to open the inner thigh. You choose to keep your toes down or lift the leg. I love this one. And we're always better on one side than the other. This is my stronger leg. Good. So feel the difference between both. 4. Are you breathing? 3. Are you still breathing? 2. And 1 more. That's it. And slowly release. Another good exercise that I like. We're going to focus more on your hamstrings. Glutes are going to be there to help. I'm going to bend my knee. We've done this one in other videos. It's going to come back until you die. Trust me. Shoulders are down and back, and you're going to bend your knee. Hamstrings are usually short and weak. So we need to work on them to avoid injuries or to avoid imbalance between muscles, to avoid knee pain as well, hip pain. So we're going to inhale, exhale to curl. Inhale, exhale to curl. I want you to keep your knees parallel to each other. Okay, let's go. I hope you have started. 5. How many fingers again on your chair? 4. 3. And 2. And 1 more. That's it. And slowly release. Again, feel the work in the hip. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Keep your knees parallel to each other. Same with your hips. Shoulders down and back. And you're going to curl right here. Inhale to lower. Exhale up. That's it. 4 more. Ready? Let's go. 4. 3. And 2. And 1 more. Beautiful. And slowly release. Now I like if we can hold it. So I'm going to go back right here with my right leg. Bend the knee. Knees are parallel. Same with the hips. Lift the shoulders. Lift the heart. Look straight ahead. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. That's it. And release. We have 2 legs. Let's do the same thing with the other. Shoulders down and back. Lift the other leg. Voilà. En français, s'il vous plaît. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bravo. And just move your hips. There's one more exercise, guys, I would love we do before we leave each other. I'm going to go in diagonal. So I'm going to go between the side and the back. So right here, and I'm going to point. What I do, I'm working my hip, so the gluteus medius and medius, but also working my glutes maximus. So I'm going to inhale, exhale, go in diagonal. Inhale, exhale. Good. Again, sit the shoulders right in the pockets. In 4, 3, 2, one more. Good. And slowly release. And let's switch time. Same thing. So I'm going to go in diagonal. Shoulders down and back. Inhale. Exhale. Go. How many fingers you need for support? You know what? Eventually your balance is going to improve. You're going to be able to do it probably without any support. But your chair's there if you need to catch your balance. 3 and 2. And one more. Good. And again, feel the work right here in your hips. Thank you so much for watching this little video about balance, hips, and glutes. If you want more video of that style, go on my website, www.abstractfitness.ca. Hope to see you soon.